Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Altcoin Market Cap. We're going to be talking about what Bitcoin could be doing right now, what it's doing at the moment, and covering the price action of Ethereum as it nears the cusp of breaking to new all-time highs. Subscribe to the channel. Let's dive into the video right after our quick sponsor. Our sponsor for today's episode is Ledn.io. Ledn offers a wide variety of financial services for long-term holders of digital assets. Ledn helps you do more with your Bitcoin through their Bitcoin savings account, their Bitcoin-backed loan program, and their B2X program. Their Bitcoin savings accounts let you earn 9% on your USDC and 6.1% on your Bitcoin. With their Bitcoin-backed loan program, you can take out a stablecoin or dollar loan off of your Bitcoin, which is much more tax efficient to keep your Bitcoin exposure while gaining dollar liquidity. And through Ledn's B2X program, you can double your exposure to the Bitcoin you already own. Check out the link down below in the description and do more with your Bitcoin today. Awesome, so let's dive into the video. Bitcoin right over here is in the process of retesting a previous area of resistance, multi-month resistance, multiple points of rejection, and even overextension beyond this major resistance. And over here, we're seeing that this previous resistance is actually turning into a quick support, taking only 3 weeks to maintain these highs right over here, even though we saw a shooting star kind of candlestick form here. Nonetheless, still just dipping deeply into this support area and still holding the buy side strength here. You're seeing price strength confirmation in the previous area of resistance, and this support holding is very promising. In fact, if these candlesticks were to remain as they are heading into the weekly close, then this sort of situation over here is a slowing in the sell side momentum generated by this upside wick into that final resistance area of 65k. So this is potentially slowing in the sell side momentum as this support is being hammered out to just generate that buy side interest. So far so good here for Bitcoin, especially if we were to close and potentially form even a bull flag at highs over here. That's an interesting scenario to watch out for. Another interesting scenario here is Ethereum. You can see here points of rejection, but over here, for instance, we got a weekly candle close and of course a upside wick into that previous resistance, rejection of course, but you can see how this rejection prompted a retest attempt of the previous points of rejections in the past. So you can see how a resistance rejection resulted in a deep crash, a crash nonetheless, but a shallower one, and then this is actually holding the highs on a dip, which has enabled a break to this final major resistance area. Ethereum is now on the cusp of breaking to new all-time highs and is on the cusp of, once validating that level, the break of that level, then we're going to reach the next psychological resistance, which will be 5k. Many people are going to be anticipating this level once 400 is breached, and 5k is going to be the next psychological level to watch out for on this run. But ultimately, you're seeing a U-shaped reversal here and another U-shaped reversal over here, and still at higher lows. You can even see that if we were to draw a higher low here and here, that higher low would extend to this region. And you can see how these two candles are actually deviating towards the upside beyond that higher low, showcasing that people are happy to buy at a premium every time Ethereum dips, but even more so at a premium because we're not actually contacting that higher low, that imaginary higher low that's not evident here on the chart. We're deviating even more so that buy pressure is indeed quite strong. Weekly candle close above this blue level, that's going to be the first step to confirming a great rally into new all-time highs and price discovery. And what we're seeing here on Altcoin Market Cap, we're seeing a very similar situation, though Altcoin Market Cap is on the cusp of actually equaling the old all-time highs and potentially breaking into price discovery a little bit earlier than Ethereum. So you can see here previous resistance in 2017 and now a new support and then a new support once again, but this time wicking support and candlestick support. So we're actually seeing a higher low nonetheless, but wicking and candlestick, a little bit more exuberance is occurring in this higher low, in this bottom right over here. People are happy to buy altcoins, and you can see that in this low, which is higher than this low and then this low. So now we're seeing a potential breakout here. Weekly candle close above this red level here, this being the final major resistance before new all-time highs for Altcoin Market Cap. Weekly close here, turn that into a support. We're going to break out into price discovery and new all-time highs for Altcoin Market Cap. Really interesting developments here on Ethereum and Altcoin Market Cap. Ethereum is going to lead the next wave of altcoin rallies once it confirms its breakout, and Altcoin Market Cap is a testament to that sentiment. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching. Like the video if you like this one and would like to see more videos like this going forward. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.